This stream setup is awesome. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. You know, Twitch is such a hard thing to like break through, and I'm just trying to be different, you know?
Pudding is withheld for technical difficulty.
Hey, sorry about that.
That's alright, man. What's going on?
Fucking hell. I was like, if you guys got pudding, and then I was like, oh shit, they can't hear me.
We're just fucking idiots.
I keep forgetting there's a fucking dial on my microphone that I gotta like turn to make it active.
Right.
Check us an invite.
Tech reviews. How long you been doing that, dude?
2.5 years.
2.5 years. And do you do retail as well?
What do you mean retail?
Well, like, does this support like a retail effort? Like, do you have a shop, or is it?
No. I work a full-time corporate job as like an IT manager. Before that, I was like working at Apple for 5 years, and then I worked at PC stores and built PCs and all that kind of fun stuff. And then since I got into the corporate job, I was actually like able to have some free time on the weekends and stuff because I'm not doing fucking retail hours. And I always wanted to do YouTube videos, but I was terrified about the idea of it, getting in front of a camera and stuff.
Yeah, sure.
But so much of what I've learned over the years was from people on YouTube and forums and stuff. So I was like, maybe it's time for me to sort of give back a little bit, see if there's anything that I can add.
Nice one.
So yeah. And I mean, we just ticked over 1 million views on the channel like last week, which is pretty cool.
Sweet.
So yeah, it's heading in the right direction.
Wait.
Dude, no, like we're not sweaty. We have pudding. That last guy, he was a sweetheart, but he
He's doing my fucking head in.
He did not have good ideas. he had bad ideas. Yeah, he was a nice guy. He's just I love how he'd always be like, like 3 times he was like, oh, they won't shoot me, and I'm watching him stand still and scope in, and I'm like, dude, you're gonna get your face ripped off. Like, and of course he got his face ripped off.
I'll be honest, I said shush 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 a few times just because like I was pretending there was someone near me, just so he would stop talking for like 2 minutes.
Yeah. Oh well.
Pretty good strat, actually.
It is a pretty good
Just
strat.
yeah. I got footsteps. He just had bad ideas. Like, it's just it's amazing how consistently he was like, we should do this, and I was like, yeah, we shouldn't do that. Like, it's.
Yeah.
Thank God everyone's got together and decided that USB-C is like the way to go now. You know, except for fucking Apple. You know, they can fuck off. But
Fuck Apple.
What do you mean? They were the ones that fucking started it.
Yeah, except their phones have still got their proprietary bullshit in it.
Yeah. But man, trust me, when I was working at Apple and they went from the 30-pin to Lightning, man, it was like riots in the Apple stores. Bring it back, it's bullshit, I've got all these accessories that use 30-pin, whoa!
Well, maybe if they had just, you know, gone with micro USB like everyone else. Although I suppose they were there first, weren't they? Like 30-pin was like the first connector.
Micro USB and mini USB is just the worst connector.
Yeah, it is kind of shit, isn't it?
It breaks, it's so fragile.
That's what you know what you're talking about. I'll just shut the fuck up.
USB-C is the way to go.
You know some shit.
I mean, I have been working in this industry for like 15 years.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you know some shit. I'll just.
Even though I don't necessarily know everything, I've seen trends come and go, and I know what works and what doesn't.
The best thing I've ever done.
I don't see him. He's not in that plane anymore.
I got spotted. He threw one of those grenades.
Just see where it came.
Down one.
Yep, he's low. Finished. Team wipe.
Could
Was
get
that
a
team wipe? Or did you just finish?
Yep.
No, there's no wipe. There's no wipe. There's one
Oh,
more.
sorry, I thought you okay. He must have just finished. Oh fuck! I forgot you were out. I forgot you were out, cunt.
Alright.
Fuck my bad, Jake.
On the roof, on the roof.
Yeah.
Don't keep boring.
No, he's not on the roof. He's on the other side.
Oh shit,
Yeah, you
yeah,
got me.
sorry.
How many?
2.
Full scar.
2 on our bodies. I see 2, but yeah. Wow, what a kill box!
Oh god, there's a cunt there.
Oh fuck. I'm clipping that, that's for sure. Fuck.
Absolute great fucking. Oh god, the fucking chance of that one, cunt. Literally landed on him, bro.
Alright, now I'm done.
Yeah, see you, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, gotcha.
Look at that.
Everyone, bye.